Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Trader YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis for British Pound JPY. So as usual, we are going to be going from higher time frame. So first we'll do the weekly time frame, daily time frame, then 4 hours time frame. So presently I'm in weekly time frame in British Pound JPY. I'm looking at the overall price action of this currency pair. It was on an uptrend here. Then uptrend got broken over here. Then it started a downtrend here. Very steep downtrend. You can see it was a very steep rally. Then over here we noticed that downtrend got broken. Then an uptrend started. Again uptrend got broken. Then downtrend started from here. So likewise it was going up, down, up, down, up. Again it is on a uptrend now. So but in overall action, when we see it on weekly time frame, we can see that it didn't break this level. This level was holding all the time, and from here market started going on a uptrend. So this was a bottom. 118.095 was the bottom. Then from there it started going on a upside. So when we see the present trend, from here it started going this way, sideways. This is a trend we are seeing presently. So it started going on an uptrend. Every time it retraced, it was retracing very little. Let us see more in detail. So when we see the more in detail action here, presently the price got rejected at this point. This is acting as a strong resistance here. This was tested previously in January 15th. It was tested. Then now again 17th May it got tested. Again now it is trying to retest here. Overall when we see it also, it is on a uptrend. So we have a very strong uptrend going on here. As long as this support is not broken, dynamic support is not broken, the uptrend will continue. Let us analyze the trend in daily time frame. Hello traders, hope you are enjoying watching this video. If you like this video so far, press that like button at the bottom. And a quick request, if you have any suggestions, new ideas, or if you want me to do technical analysis for different currency pairs, do let me know in the comment sections. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm on daily time frame now. So in daily time frame, when we see it more closer, we can see that this price, this level is acting as a strong support. So price hasn't come down below this level. 149 was the bottom level. From there price has tested several times. So this is acting as a strong support for now. And on the upside, when we see it, it formed a very nice triangle pattern. Now at this point it has given a breakout, and we can see it has also retested this breakout. The strong uptrend has started in daily time frames also. Overall trend from the weekly time frame is also an uptrend, and overall trend in daily time frame is also an uptrend because it formed a very nice triangle pattern and it gave a breakout from the triangle pattern. Let us do the technical analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. In 4 hours time frame also, you can see that it has given uptrend, then retraced, uptrend, retraced, uptrend. So it is continuously moving on upside, and we see a dynamic support here. This is going to be acting as a dynamic support in 4 hours time frame. So this yellow line is going to be acting as a dynamic support for the 4 hours time frame. As long as this dynamic support in 4 hours time frame is not taken, this uptrend will still continue in lower time frame. So in a higher time frame, we already know that it has a strong support here. In weekly time frame, we know that it has a strong dynamic support over here. So what is going to be the next level? So overall we know that it is on uptrend in weekly, it is on uptrend in daily, and it is on uptrend in 4 hours time frame. And this level is still acting as a strong resistance because it has tested 2 times. I'm expecting it is going to test again. Depending on whether it breaks this resistance or bounce back, we can decide the actual trend of the market. So what is going to be the range? So when we see the ranges, we have to go on the left hand side. We have to take these ranges. So when we see with the Fibonacci's retracement tool also, we can see that it has crossed this 0.382 level, which means uptrend has started in this also. So it is having a resistance here, 0. Next resistance is going to be 0.618, and then if it manages to clear this resistance, then we have the next resistance as 0.786. Then we have a strong resistance here. So overall the trend is on upside. So let me mark the ranges. So this is going to be the first resistance, 153.234. Next resistance is going to be at 154.413, and next resistance, strong resistance, it's going to be 155.971. If it breaks this resistance, its strong uptrend will continue. If it fails to break this level, the downside range is going to be 151.639. Next level is going to be 150.521, and next strong support 149.107. Let us wait and see how the price action is going to be for the coming week, based on which I'll come up with the new video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.